Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Rouge the Bat from Sonic the Hedgehog me. This was requested by Sonic Gamer 55. Let's go. Not this face, none of these, none of these, and you want this colour. For the hairstyle, you're going to want this hairstyle, and you want to make it as white as you can. Pause the video anytime you need to. Now for the eyebrows, this is clever. You want these ones, and you want these positions. Then I'm going to make them this colour. Now you want these eyes, and these positions. And you want to make them this colour. So we've got that, and we have the eyebrows, which is made the more bigger. And she has like blue big bits above her eyes. So we're going to hide the nose, so you want this nose and these positions. And you want this mouth and these positions. And I think I'd change it to that. Yeah, change it to that. And make it down a bit. Here's the positions if I haven't shown the positions. And you want this moustache and these positions. You want to make it this colour. So that's going to be part of the bit like most of the characters have, like the bit on the mouth. So you want this mole and these positions. So that's going to be the nose again. Like they'll have that sort of nose. Gender female. The body, roughly about that. And these glasses, these positions, and this colour. My favourite colour is black, and then type in rouge. And then click done. There you are, you have a Rouge me.